Let me show you what to do if you forgot your WhatsApp lock chat secret code. This works the exact same on iPhone or Android. Now, first within the WhatsApp app here, you can always just go to chats and search for those locked chats that are actually hidden by typing in a secret code. Now, I would first recommend typing in the code that you use to unlock your iPhone or Android, and then type in your birthday or your birth year and try a bunch of different ones. In my case, 1111, but you could also try something simple like 1234 and see if that fixes it. It's 4 digits long. Now, if that doesn't work and you still can't find it, there are a couple other ways that you can essentially reveal what those are. So what I'm going to do is go through the process of linking my WhatsApp to another device. You can see it says open web.whatsapp.com or desktop app. And essentially what I can do is scan the QR code or link with a phone number. What this specifically does is it allows you to transfer all of your WhatsApp messages from this device over to a different device, like your computer or anything like that. Essentially try to go through that process and see by going through that process if it brings over all of those hidden and locked chats. However, if that doesn't work, there are some other options as well to be able to go back and find those chats. Now within here, you'll be able to see the option that you can also, if you have another iPhone or an Android phone around, you can set the transfer chats to iPhone. And essentially what this will do is it will privately transfer all of your chats, including those hidden and locked chats, to that other device, basically revealing what those chat messages are. So you can go through the process. And again, it says scan a QR code with another phone. So this requires, again, that you have another iPhone or an Android, and you can go through the process of transferring them and see if that works. Now, if any of these don't work, your last option is just to hit the clear button. So essentially what we can do is go into your chats and you can choose to unlock and clear all of your locked chats. Keep in mind, this does permanently delete those chats. It says the secret code, if set, will be cleared, and you can always choose to set a new one. Unfortunately, this is the kind of nuclear option where it deletes everything. But if you really need to reset it, you can always just choose to unlock and clear them.